Hi, in this new video, I will show you how to have all Adobe software for free. For the first step, you need to create email address. Go to website mail.com.
In this website, you can create easily email address. You can literally create email address under 1 minute. When you finish the setup of your mail, you need to go to link pinned at comment area and create Adobe account. Choose individual subscription, and you can add Adobe stock, copy the email address which we have created at mail.com and paste it.
Now you need to put a valid credit card. Don't worry, stay until the end of the video to avoid being charged.
Once you have put valid credit tagged, click on Continue and create a new password. Now you can download any Adobe software. For this video, I will download Adobe Photoshop. Once you download software, new windows are opened. Wait until the end of Adobe Creative Cloud installation. When installation is finished, you can now install every Adobe software. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Illustrator. All Adobe software. For the last step, you need to go to your account setting and cancel your subscription. Thanks you for watching video. If you are any problem, please leave comments, like and subscribe if you like the video.